Let's debunk some common myths about autism and ABA therapy. What some people think about autism, that autism is caused by bad parenting, that's false. Autism is a neurodevelopmental condition, not a result of parenting. What many people think's ABA therapy. Some say it's just about punishment. That's false. ABA therapy, known as applied behavior analysis, focuses on positive reinforcement to encourage desired behaviors. Sometimes people ask these questions, is there any cure for autism? Or some may say autism. Can it be cured? That's absolutely false. Autism isn't something to be cured. It's a unique way of experiencing the world, and understanding the truth helps us create a more inclusive and supportive environment. Another myth, by some people, that autism is caused by vaccines. But the fact is that extensive research has shown no link between vaccines and autism. Something people always say, that people with autism can't form meaningful relationships. But the fact is far from that. Many individuals with autism build strong, meaningful connections with family, friends, and peers. They just may communicate differently. When they say all individuals with autism have the same challenges, but the fact is different. Autism is a spectrum, meaning every individual is unique with their own strengths and areas of growth. Understanding the truth helps us create a more inclusive and supportive world. The early signs of autism. Every child is unique, but some common signs include difficulty with eye contact, delayed speech or language development, repetitive behavior like hand clapping, and challenges with social interaction. You might also notice a strong preference for routine or sensitivity to sounds and textures. Recognizing these signs can open the door to valuable support and intervention. What you need to do as a parent. Did you know the earlier you start, the bigger difference it can make? Earlier intervention is a game changer for children with autism. It helps build communication, social, and daily living skills during critical developmental years. Programs tailored to their unique needs can boost their confidence, foster independence, and enhance their ability to connect with others. The support you provide gives them more opportunities to thrive. It's never too early to start making a difference. Struggling to teach children with autism? Struggling to teach social skills? Don't worry, you're not alone. Teaching social skills to autistic children can be a rewarding journey with the right strategies. Start with clear, simple instructions to help them understand social expectations. Visual aids, social stories, or cards can make concepts easier. Practice key role-playing scenarios such as greeting someone, sharing, or asking for help to build their confidence in real-world situations. Focus on their strengths and interests, using them as a bridge to encourage interactions with peers. Be patient and celebrate every small step forward, as progress often comes gradually. Consistency, encouragement, and understanding are the foundations of teaching social skills effectively.